Pumpkin! Pumpkin! Oh, thank goodness! Snowball? Arnold, what are you doing here? I thought you... What are you doing here back at the lab? I thought you were going to mow the lawn at my grandma's house. Well, we were going to do that. Yeah, I was going to do my side of the lawn. But, remember when you assigned us to mow your grandma's house with 2 lawnmowers, with Arnold's being your brand new one? Yeah, why? Well, I was gonna do my side of the lawn, but what, Arnold? Outfit? Well, I accidentally got cherry soda all over your new lawnmower. Sorry. I told you drinking soda while mowing the lawn was a bad idea. You did what? Oh, goodness. What? What's so funny? Nothing. Just take a look at yourself, Pumpkin. Ah! What on earth has happened to me? You poofed into a giant monster, Pumpkin, that's what. Maybe if you didn't have such an outburst, none of this would have happened. Maybe you wouldn't look so white. Half of me was already white. I'm a tabby cat from India. A whirlwind-infested one, that's what. I mean, at that. Oh, if you'll excuse me, I'll go sulk in my dressing room. Well, at least it didn't involve one of awful Alvin's angry eyebrows. Yeah, let's go and take care of the new lawnmower. Yeah, that's probably a good idea.